Are you on the lookout for something that would help perfect your yoga poses? Yoga blocks are the answer. Created to facilitate deeper stretches and provide yogis with additional support when switching from one position to another, they are an accessory you didn't know you needed. Even if you're used to having a yoga mat during your yoga sessions only, you shouldn't overlook yoga blocks. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best yoga blocks in the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Gayam Essentials Yoga Block. Thousands of reviews on Gayam Essentials Yoga Block don't lie, it's indeed an accessory that yogis of all skills will, or have already come to, appreciate. And what's not to like? It has optimum proportions, attractive designs, and a functional construction, that is, it checks off every box. Created to provide stability and alignment that lie at the core of yoga practice, this set of 2 yoga blocks has proven times and again its value. You can use the prop to stretch and perfect your yoga poses without having to leave your house. The EVA foam means there isn't much maintenance involved, soapy water and a towel will do the trick of keeping your yoga block looking and smelling fresh. Things we like. The non-slip surface helps with gripping. Foam material makes the block lightweight and portable. It's low maintenance. Things we don't like. It's not as dense as anticipated. Number 2. Rehat Yoga Blocks. The eco-friendly built Rehat Yoga Block is a cult favorite. Made from durable EVA foam that also happens to be of a high density, it can accommodate yogis of all shapes and sizes. Coming in a pack of 2, Rehat blocks have moisture and slip-resistant properties that ensure no bacteria have the chance to develop and you don't trip on a slippery surface by an accident when performing challenging yoga poses. This is good news for those looking to receive unparalleled support from their yoga prop while learning to do a variety of positions. Things we like. It has a slip and moisture-resistant surface. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee and an 18-month replacement policy that applies to the set of blocks. There are plenty of colors to choose from. 2 sizes to choose from, 3 and 4 depending on your flexibility needs. Things we don't like. Not as rigid as cork or wood yoga block. Number 3. UrbanFit Yoga Blocks. If you're the I need it all type of person and are looking for a good deal, UrbanFit has got you covered. Available in a set of 2 plus a stretch strap and a fitness guide, high-density yoga blocks from UrbanFit are your best choice. Featuring beveled edges that help with gripping, these blocks easily adhere to the industry standards. They enable you to practice poses from Vinyasa and Hatha Yoga, meditate, and do Pilates without worrying about slipping off. What's more, when combining the blocks with the strap, they help you perform deep stretches and perfect your posture alignment. All while enabling you to clean them with a wet wipe. Things we like. The surface of the blocks is easy to grip. The blocks are moisture-proof. They come with a strap and a free PDF workout guide. Things we don't like. The foam construction makes them softer, giving less stability. Number 4. Clever Yoga Blocks. We love an eco-conscious brand that brings sustainability to everything it creates. Clever Yoga, one of the leading yoga equipment providers, falls under this category. Their block and strap set we're about to review is the cream of the crop both from the quality and the performance standpoints. At a mere 7 ounces of weight, these yoga blocks are as portable as the strap that they come with. You can bring it with you to the gym or use it for at-home workouts, it won't take up too much space in either case. After your yoga or Pilates practice, you can wipe the block down with a cloth or rinse it with soap, once in a while, to maintain the freshness of the equipment. With good care, you can sit tight and know your yoga blocks will last you a long time. Number 5. Gayam Cork Yoga Brick. Gayam knows how to build high-quality yoga items. Their cork block and brick is proof. Made from sustainable cork that can also be recycled, it's become a primary choice of many wannabes and professional yogis for its slip-resistant and support-inducing properties. Apart from stability, you also get the comfort that comes in handy when doing seated positions for prolonged periods of time. Meditation with this yoga prop located under your bum is an option too. When incorporating the block into your yoga routine, you are unlocking a vast range of advanced poses that weren't widely available to you before. Then, once you commit to the practice, you will find yourself performing better than you did without yoga blocks. Things we like. The recyclable cork doesn't cause any slipping. You have a choice of either a block or a brick. Things we don't like. The dimensions of the brick version aren't universal. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.